Welcome guys to another weekly update. Today I will share with you what I'm expecting next for the Bitcoin. We will start on our daily time frame as always. So if you just take a look on our market structure on the daily, we can see that we have a bearish market structure. So we have the high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and so on and so on. So basically we are bearish. And also if we just pull out our golden pocket now from that high to that low right here, we can see that we made a lower high on our golden pocket. So basically this is a nice confluence to get maybe that dip to the downside, right? So we here made a swing failure pattern because we didn't get that daily close below that low right here. So basically we can see a potential move back to take that high right here, but for right now I'm not that bullish and I'm not expecting that push to the upside, because if we also take a look on our fixed volume range profile, we can see that we are trading below the value area low. So basically we need to see first the reclaim of that value area low, retest, and then maybe that potential rise to the upside to take that high and that value area high, right? So basically we need to first get that acceptance back into that value area to see then that potential rise to the upside. So basically I'm not really bullish for right now. Also if we just turn on our email bonus, we can see that when we get that break of that SMA 50, so this is the blue line, so the break of that SMA 50, we can see that the SMA 50 is acting right like resistance. So we have 1 touch, 2 and 3 touch. So basically we can see that retest again of that value area low right here, and also we have the daily level right here. So basically this is a nice resistance zone, and then we potentially can see that drop to the downside. If we just hide everything and jump on our lower time frame, basically also if we take a look on our weekly volume profiles, maybe it will be easier to look that like that. So we have that daily level right here. So let's go on the 30-minute up. Here go on the lower time frame. So we know that we have the golden pocket hit right here. So we get a nice rejection from it, right? So we have here the daily level, and also if you turn on our TPOs profiles, we have in the same zone, we have the single print, which is now the magnet for the price. So we can see to feel that single print right here, hit that daily level. Also we know that we hit the previous weekly value area high. So I'm expecting the full rotation from the weekly, from the value area high to the value area low. Because we get a really nice rejection from it. We can see that it's acting like a resistance. We get a drop, we lose that point of control right here. So we know that we have now the daily level right here, single print, and also if we pull out our Fibonacci range, if we pull out our Fibonacci range from that high right here to that low, we can see that we in the same zone we have the 0.75. so this is a basically nice resistance. If we get a nice rejection from it, we can potentially see that nice drop to the downside, at least to take out that liquidity zone right here, and maybe get that touch of that time point of control, and then potentially see that rise. But basically I would prefer to see to take out that weekly value area low right here, and then to see maybe that continuation to the higher prices, right? So we are bearish on the higher time frame. Also we are locally bearish. I'm not really expecting any strong push to the upside until we reclaim that daily level right here. so to flip these levels into support and then maybe potentially see that rise to the upside, because if we just hide everything right here, because we get that swing failure pattern of these lows right here, so we get that swing failure pattern of these lows. We flipped that range low right here with market structure change confirmation. So we have the pivot 1, pivot 2, and then break of market structure. So this is the pivot 3, and also when we get that another push to the upside, we get that again. So pivot 1, pivot 2, and again pivot 3. So this is basically now here locally bullish, but as I said, if we don't flip that daily level, and also if we pull out, just a second, if we pull out our Fibonacci, I mean fixed volume range profile, we can see that in the same zone we have the value area high, right? So basically if we don't flip that zone, then we can potentially see some lower prices. So basically something like that. If we get that touch and then that drop, if we flip that zone, then look for the retest of the value area high and the daily level, and then potentially that rise to the upside to take out this unfinished highs right here. So basically that would be everything. So I hope that you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.